Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. We wish you again to have a profitable day ahead today also. Yesterday we had a wonderful profit, though the market was open gap up, then it has fallen nicely. I show you where we entered, where we got profit, where we booked loss. So all those details I will show you. Before I continue, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give a like button and also click share button to everyone so that all your trading friends will get benefited through our channel. Okay, now since market has been closed, now I'm recording on this next day. If you watch our Telegram channel for live, so we have been given first sell call we have given before market has opened. We said add 35,400 PE to the watch list and be ready. So people also were ready by adding the 35,400 PE to watch list. Then we said in the second candle to buy the put option. So immediately it has given a very nice profit. Then we said buy 35,100 call option at 120. We also has bought. We also had bought and showed the screenshot on the Telegram channel. If you want to refer, if you want to verify, you please join our Telegram channel, MST School of Trading. You can see everything by time to time. Then it has went up, it has gone up to all our two targets, then targets hit. Then from there again we said 35,000 put option buy. So again it has given three targets in the downside. So yesterday we got profit in three side. First we got sell entry, that is a put option buy. Next we got buy entry, that is a call option buy. Again we got put option buy entry, that is the sell entry. I show you with a bar play. So I will keep it in three minutes time frame and I will start that bar replay. So I am keeping the cursor here. Also I am enabling the indicator with the default settings. See here, I'm going to the settings. I'm enabling default reset settings. For Bank Nifty, we are keeping 360 time frame. I'm playing this now. So now market has opened. This is yesterday data. Yesterday buy also activated and targets hit. So today the lines are getting formed now. Yeah. So now in the second candle we had given buy entry, put option, buy entry, and here we asked to exit the put option. Again we gave call option. So now 35,123. If it is coming, then we will be buying any call option at the current market price. Yeah. So exactly our buy entry got activated. So now it is further going down, right? If it is going further down and hitting your stop loss, then we will be taking double lot in the second sell to recover one lot, to recover the last one lot and to book the profit for the day one lot. So keep in mind. If it is coming up and hitting our target, it is well and good. I slowly increase the speed because buy has been activated. So next process is we have to, if you want directly, you can wait for the sell entry as the target. It is a big target. Otherwise, go here and enable the first buy targets. Okay. Now your first buy will be 30. First buy target will be 35,281. If you want to wait for the second target also, you can wait by revising the stop loss. Now it is slowly moving up towards our target. It is coming again down. Once again, we got the entry. If people had missed the first entry, then they could have taken at the second time also. Second opportunity it has given us. Yeah. So exactly our first buy target achieved. It is going up 35,327. Going up, going up. And our sell entry also got activated. Second target also activated. So here what we have to decide. See, since I'm giving both buy entry and sell entry, people are sometimes getting confused. But as per our strategy, it is very simple. If first buy activated, there is no sell unless the stop loss of the first buy is hit. If first sell activated, there is no buy unless the first sell SL is hit. Okay, it is clear. It is very, very simple. Okay, now first buy first target has been achieved. As per our strategy, it is very clear that per day only one trade for the consistent profit makers. If you want to trade again and again aggressively, if you are a risk takers, then depending on the market situation, you can go for first buy and first sell, second buy and second sell. Also, you can change the time frame to weekly and monthly, and you can keep trading. You will get 10 to 15 opportunities in a day. I repeat, you will get 10 to 15 opportunities in a day. What are the 10 to 15 opportunities? I will explain you one by one. So now what we have seen today is default settings. This is default settings. And the second opportunity is you can use MST other calculation and give OK. MST other calculation. Now there will be small changes in the entry. Okay, there may be 1 points, 2 points, 10 points. Sometimes there will be no changes also. This is second opportunities. And third opportunities, same thing with the default settings. What you have to do, change it to Heikin Ashi candlestick pattern here. Okay, it is not allowing me to change since bar play is recording. Okay, first I will complete this part. So since first target has been achieved and second target also achieved, your trade gets over in the first target itself, right? And if you want to trial the stop loss, keep your stop loss to cost and book the profit at the second target. And if you want to sell also, again what you have to do, you have to follow first sell, entry, SL and target. Entry, SL and target. So for default consistent profit makers, first trade is over. The trade of the day is over. If you want to continue the further trade, then what you can do, go here and select first sell targets and disable first buy entries. So now what happened? See here, I'm playing the bar play. So exactly, first it's cell activated, it is coming down, it is went up. We are in loss, now in profit, profit, profit. First target is almost to reach. Yeah, first target has been achieved. Now, if you want to book the profit here, you can book the profit. Otherwise, you can revise the stop loss to cost to cost. You can revise stop loss to cost and wait for the second target. So I will just increase the speed. So both side we have got the first target. First buy side we got two targets, and second first sell side also we have got two targets. Perfectly achieved. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. Now let me show you what are the other opportunities we have. What are the other opportunities we have? I will keep it in 15 minutes time frame so that it will be very easier to understand. So here I keep it in default settings. So now see here exactly we got buy entry, exactly we got the sell entry, both side we got the profit. What is the default settings? Default settings is day time frame. Okay, I will remove this and once again go here, favorite, I will add this here because I changed to 360 as the default time frame. So now exactly buy entry we got activated and sell entry also activated. We got the target, and yes, previous day also we got buy entry activated, target hit, and previous day also we got the buy entry activated, target hit, again sell activated, again targets hit. Okay, 3 days continuous profit we have got. What about the fourth day? This is the fourth day. So here buy activated SL hit and sell activated target hit. Second sell activated, see here I am showing the second sell targets. Second sell targets, two targets exactly achieved, stop loss was safe. So previous day, first is a buy activated SL hit, then second sell activated, two targets hit. Then previous day, first buy activated SL hit, then sell activated, two targets hit. And previous day, buy activated and target hit. Buy activated, target hit. Sell activated, all targets hit. So here you can see none of the entry is activated. We missed the entry by some 10 to 15 points we missed. So here what you have to do, you can take extra risk of 300 rupees, right? Suppose market is not coming down to our buy entry, what you can do, you can take extra risk of 300 rupees only, right? Otherwise no trade for the day. So here buy activated and SL was safe and target hit. So here sell activated, target hit. So here buy activated, sell activated, SL hit, and second buy activated and all targets hit. It is very simple. If SL hit, you have to go immediately reversal entry. See here in buy side, you have got two targets hit. And previous day, buy activated, target hit. Again, sell activated, targets hit. So here we missed the entry by some few points. We can consider this as the sell activated and targets hit. Here also sell activated, target hit. Here also sell activated, SL was safe and target hit. Here first sell activated, SL hit, second buy activated, then first target hit. Okay. Again first sell side we got all the targets and first buy also got activated, then target hit. So here first sell activated, targets hit. See every day you can back test. We cannot hide this. This indicator is not the repainting indicator. You can back test everything. This is one opportunity. Then second opportunity is same default settings, just you have to change the Heikin-Ashi candle. Just you have to change the Heikin-Ashi candle. So now you see we have got the exact entry at 35,469. 35,469 and the high made was 35,477. So here we missed the first buy entry but we got the sell entry. This is second opportunity. And third opportunity is just enable MST other calculation. Okay, so here you will get. And fourth opportunity with the MST calculation you can keep the Heikin-Ashi calculation. So like in each time frame there will be three opportunities. I repeat, in each time frame like this, no, like for 360 there will be three opportunities. One is default settings, another one with Heikin-Ashi candle, another one with MST other calculation you will get. So you will get 3 to 4 opportunities in each time frame. Like this we have D for day, W for week, M for month, 360 and 3M for 3 month. So you can use all these 5 combination with the 4 opportunities, you will get 20 different opportunities. But when to trade, what to trade, whether you will be confused or not, yes, you will be confused. Then how to avoid this confusion? Just trade with the default settings. Just trade with default settings. Once in the default settings, targets are hit, all the targets are hit, then market tends to reverse. So from where it will reverse, that we have in our indicator. Okay, that we have in our indicator. So I said in the morning itself I gave the put option buy. How I gave? I show you the secret. Come here, go to settings and enable the weekly time frame. Okay, enable weekly time frame and MST other calculation without other calculation. So now you can see the yesterday weekly sell. This is yesterday weekly sale 35,331. Okay, I just extended the line. Yesterday I just extended the weekly sell entry line. So this is the stop loss. I just expanded. So now this is pending and the first candle has closed above it, but high of that candle is not closed and it is a very big red candle. So I decided the moment it closed below the first candle low, I considered that yesterday weekly sell got activated, so I gave immediately sell entry. Since today buy got activated, I said close the sell entry and sit in buy entry. Okay, this is our today buy entry. Again, you see it went up, but it is not hit our stop loss of the yesterday weekly sell entry. Then it has fallen, and fortunately, here we had our sell entry, daily sell entry. Here we had. So you can use this indicator in multiple ways. The thing is, you have to understand. If you understand, if you practice the same indicator again and again, you will teach me what I have not known about it. Okay. So thank you all for having watched our videos today. So there are many opportunities in this single indicator we have given. Not only this part, many part we have added. So you can mint money. There are many opportunities. And if any one day, if weekly seller buy not activated, if monthly buy or sell not activated, then you can extend the line for the next day. It is like a virgin CPR. So people used to call virgin CPR. If today none of the candle has met the CPR, then tomorrow that CPR may be touched, and such CPR is called as virgin CPR. Okay, so you can follow the same concept here also. Thank you all for having watched our videos. So yesterday, what where it is, I show you the natural gas Nifty also. I show you where is Nifty. Here it is, Nifty. So Nifty also first sell activated, then target hit, once again sell activated, target hit. I have not added natural gas. Natural gas also yesterday we had very good performance. Okay, all targets achieved in a big target. I can say big targets. Where is natural gas? Natural gas. Natural gas. What happened? Natural gas MCX. So I'm seeing in here index. Natural gas. Yeah, here it is. See here. This is natural gas. Yesterday cell got activated with the default settings. So the second opportunity is perfectly SL activated, cell activated. I'm removing the first buy, enabling the first sell targets, second buy for the SL. Then here I'm coming down and enabling the big two targets because all targets were achieved yesterday. So again I'm coming back. Okay, see here all three targets have been achieved. This is a with SL indicator. So now I will add without SL indicator. So there you can see the extra targets. I show you how. First cell target, second buy, second cell. So come here, enable big two targets. It is only for showing. Okay, today I'm just showing how it exactly got reversed. First cell fifth target and first cell sixth target. See here, exactly all the six targets have been achieved, and none of the candle has closed below this. None of the candle has closed below this, and since the high of the rejection candle has broken, we can go for the buy. So that is why I said in the group 273 is highly reversible reversal possible in the 273. So from 273 that is our last target. It gone up to 286.8. So 14 points we have got the profit. 14 points we have got the profit in the reversal entry. In the exact entry from 303 to 271 we got the profit. Some 30 plus point 32 plus 14. So exact movement of the natural gas yesterday our indicator has captured. Okay, so this is the beauty of our indicator. So thank you all for having watched our video. If any doubts, please contact us. And if you want to join our advanced options trading and price options trading course, please contact us. Today we are starting one batch. Thank you all. All the best.